Behind me, you see our super simple double desk setup that we have created. We have a his side and a hers side. Me and my husband both have a side of this desk. I have been looking all over the internet for different ways to make a double desk, and this is what I came up with. And I'm gonna show you this super simple setup that we have here. We went with the IKEA Alex drawers. I ended up with two of just the regular drawer systems, and then the middle one does have the filing option. This just seemed to be the best option, and I will say that once these arrived, I was actually impressed with the quality, and I have no regrets with this decision. With the tabletop itself, we ended up getting two butcher blocks. They don't quite fit the shelves. There is just a little bit of hangover in the back side right now, but there is a little bit extra. But we've measured our room, so I knew I wanted to get as close to wall as I could, and this was the best stock option that we had because we didn't really have the ability to cut the butcher blocks. So once I found a supplier for them, I went ahead and just purchased them, and then we finished them off with some poly coat, just some very basic, super simple coating. It's been really great. Even if you have like a cup that is gonna sweat, it's been fine. We haven't had any problems with that. So that's just the main setup. It's just the Alex drawers, and then we have the butcher block sitting right on top. I am kind of looking into some ideas. Some people put feet on these so that you can raise up the actual butcher block itself and kind of have a gap down here, which I kind of like the idea of that, but we haven't gotten that far yet. And we both have our own custom built PCs. So my husband actually built his first, and then I went ahead and asked him if he would help me build mine. So we each have our own PCs that we have, and then we each have our own monitors, and that is just it. It's super simple. You don't need anything crazy to start any kind of home desk system. This is the bare bones of what we have right now. Even our cable management system isn't even together yet. So as you can see, my husband has his own power outlet. We do kind of share them depending on what we need, but for the most part, they're kind of separated to each computer. But we're working with this power outlet on the back wall. So we'd have to share this one, and then we each have our own outlet underneath each desk. So this is definitely one of the next projects that I'd like to work on, to get these cords all put away so that they're not just sitting behind our computers anymore. It'd be really great to not have just the mess of cords. As you can see, the room is still super basic. There's literally nothing else but the computers and the desks. If you are working on building your own desk and you just don't know what to commit to, I would say just jump into whatever feels best, whatever your gut is telling you that you really want, and you can make changes later. So while we've set everything up, I've kind of learned what I want to fix and where the route that I want to go with things. So just put it together, have fun with it, create your corner, do whatever makes you feel happy.